They have these candied pecans on the table for snacking. We already ate our bowl, so now when Wichita is not around his table, I eat his pecans. Some chocolate ganache going on over here.
Extra tasty, delicious beautifulness.
You gotta fold the butter.
Oh yeah.
The butter is important.
Fold the butter in.
Fold the butter. I'm a little confused about what to do next, but we're gonna figure it out. So our dough is kneading. It has to rise for an hour, so we're gonna get that going. But it actually is going around and around, kneading in the mixer for 10 minutes, and that helps everything just be perfect in the dough. Our bread is resting right here. Not gonna show you, I don't wanna mess it up, but our bread is resting. Check out Wichita's bread, see how his dough is doing.
Picking up my dough.
Checking out your dough. Looks good, it's looking good. Now we're making chocolate, her favorite, chocolate ganache. Pouring in all the chocolate. Pinch of salt. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna let that sit for 4 minutes. And then we're gonna mix it up. Mixing. Stirring it all together, right? This is my first time ever stirring ganache. But put the whole thing in here at once. Okay, we're now folding in the butter. And this is the best part of cooking. You get to lick the spatula. Oh, well, that's why you wear an apron. Oh, that's so good. So good. Oh, yeah. All right, I gotta come check and see what Annette's doing. Ann, what are you doing back here? Ann's breaking stuff.
Yes, I do.
So how's your ganache and bread going back here, Annette?
With Eddie, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. So you guys eat food, but do you make food? So.
I know you make food, and my wife and I make food.
Yeah.
Looks like James and Susie make food.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know about the other guys.
I don't know if Eddie bakes a lot. I think he goes to McDonald's more than he bakes.
Okay.
So let's
Nothing wrong with
see.
some Mickey D's.
Hey, I had it the other day. Not gonna lie.
It's fun. I feel like I'm gonna. Oh, we're learning more.
All right, we're learning some more. Let's get back to it. So the class teacher just said our dough looked really good. So check it out.
Nice gluten development. Yeah, that's awesome.
She's getting it all put in the pan for us because it looks so good.
Oh my gosh.
The ladies got the meatballs put together nicely here, so that looks delicious. James and I got the cauliflower mixture going good here. Got to finish that up.
That's great dough.
Great dough, babe.
Ooh, nice.
It's great dough.
I've divided their dough into two, so this is what it's looking like in two pans. So this is what I did. Stuck my hand in here. And then what we're doing is we're dimpling the dough. It's not like this. It's like a full-on stick your knuckles in the dough and then pull straight back out. Like this is why you need the dough for 10 minutes because these little bubbles are gonna develop a really nice crust and then inside you're gonna get that really nice pop and fluff. So this is what we're after on these, and then you're gonna let that sit uncovered for a few minutes before we move on to baking. It's going to continue to rise just because we put so much yeast in there, and then we'll pop them in the oven.
All right, here we go. We're gonna go back in.
Okay, get in there. Get in there.
Velocity.
There you go.
Love it.
You're moving your hands a lot. You just want
That's
to go
it.
straight in.
Stop moving. Straight in.
Straight in.
Still looks very pretty. I love it. Okay, into the oven with it now.
Okay. We are making the vinaigrette now for the salad. All right, we're about to eat salad
Eat it now.
because we just mixed up our
If you would
vinaigrette.
like to take everything from class with you, I do have to-go containers for everything that we've made today.
Cheers. Oh, these are like done meatballs? Awesome. Ooh, look at our cauliflower here, and we got our meatballs. And we got our salad. These meatballs are so good.
They turned out really good, didn't they?
Oh my gosh. Dude, these are phenomenal. Chocolate ganache with berries on top. Wow, looks so good. Okay, yeah.
Two focaccia that were on the
Here with Katherine Elder at Eldersley Farm. She was the one, our teacher today. She was awesome. So highly recommend these classes here. She was a great teacher. Focaccia. I bet if you dip this in a vinaigrette, it's gonna be so good. Watch this. Oh my gosh. All right, here was my team right here. We had Hannah, the Babetskis. We killed it. It wasn't a competition, but I still think that we won.
Yes.
So if you ever want to do a cooking class at MarkArts, you should come try it out. It's amazing. See you next time.